So hundreds lined up downtown Saturday battling the images of violence.
Black men particularly, we fill the prison houses at a rate more than any other race. So we have to learn to keep God's laws so that we can unite as a people again and take responsibility for our families and our lives.
It was about changing the mindsets of not just the younger generation to just do the right thing, but more so about reaching everyone.
And I think that was a great show of how we can get out there and express our viewpoints and express how we feel and make a peaceful protest.
While standing in a straight line and walking as one, they sent an unspoken message to those who may have been just watching from afar.
We can be in order. We're structured people.
Whether you witnessed it from up high, down low, or walking along, you saw the organized brotherhood that the men intended to express as a way to show that people must come